In this video, I will show you how to change the video background in Capcut PC in under 1 minute. So first things first, what you want to do, you're gonna go onto the media left corner and you're gonna press on import, and here you're gonna choose the video you want to change the background of. What you do, you drag and drop the video onto the Capcut's timeline, and here's the video that we're gonna remove the background of and change it. Then what you do is you highlight the video by pressing on it and go on the top right corner where it says video, and then you press on cutout. You scroll down and you hit on auto cutout. Now it says it's processing, and once it's not on 100%, it's gonna cut out the background from the video, and this is how the video looks without the background. As you see, there is nothing in the background. Then you press on import again, and now you're importing the background you want instead of the previous one. You drag and drop the video again in the timeline, and all you do is just literally swap places so that the background is at the bottom, and here are the results. You see that the background is fully changed, and it's pretty easy. Please hit a like and subscribe onto the video for more Capcut tutorials. Adios.